Today, I'm going to show you how to change your region or location on your laptop using a VPN. If you want to access region-restricted websites, unblock streaming libraries, or simply protect your online privacy, this complete guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. You can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price while you follow along. To begin, use the link in the description to download NordVPN onto your laptop. Once you're on the official website, choose your plan and download the NordVPN installer for your operating system. When the file finishes downloading, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. The installation only takes a few minutes. After it's installed, launch the NordVPN app and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one directly inside the app using your email or a quick login option. Before changing your region, it's important to check your current IP address and your current detected location. You can do this by visiting a website like whatismyip.com or by simply searching What is my IP on Google. Keep this page open because we will come back to it after connecting to the VPN to confirm the change. Now it's time to change your region. Inside the NordVPN app, you will see a large map and a list of available countries. You can either click Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest server or manually choose any country you want to appear in. For example, if you want a United States IP, choose the United States from the map or the server list. If you need a UK IP for BBC iPlayer, select the United Kingdom. If you want a location in Japan to unblock Japanese streaming services, choose Japan. Once you click the country, NordVPN will connect you to a server there and assign you a new IP address from that region. After connecting, go back to the IP checking website you opened earlier and refresh the page. You should now see a completely different IP address and a new country or region. This confirms that your VPN is active and your laptop is now virtually located in the country you selected. From here, you can open any website, app, or streaming platform and access the content available in that specific region. NordVPN also offers several powerful features that make this entire process more secure and flexible. Threat protection blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites, and can even scan downloaded files for threats. MeshNet allows you to securely connect your devices together, even when they're not on the same network, which is great for remote access or private file sharing. If your VPN connection ever drops, the kill switch will automatically cut your internet to ensure your real IP is never exposed. And with split tunneling, you can decide which apps go through the VPN and which apps use your normal internet connection, giving you more control. If you need a stable and private IP for banking, work platforms, or services that don't allow shared VPN IPs, you can also choose NordVPN's dedicated IP add-on. NordVPN also gives you multiple protocol options. NordLynx is the fastest and most optimized protocol for speed and low latency, but you can switch to OpenVPN or IKEv2 in the settings if needed. And that's it. Your region is now successfully changed on your laptop using NordVPN. You can switch to any country at any time, access region-locked content, and stay fully protected while browsing. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start changing your location safely and easily today.